So good day, ma'am. Best practice and case studies. Sustainable civic culture. Example, Mount Apo Forest Management with ENR and community involvement. So, community-based forest management, empowering local to protect and harvest forest waste. So, similar programs have been implemented in various parts of the Amazon rainforest, empowering indigenous communities to protect their ancestral lands and forest resources. Technological innovation. Drone for monitoring, GIS for planting harvest zones. Drone, the integration of drones and GIS create a powerful synergy for forest management. Drone provide up-to-date imaginary, while GIS adds analytical depth, enabling user to analyze change over time, generate 3D models, and identify patterns and trends. So, Sweden Forest recommendation, Sweden Forest laws and enforcement, straining forest laws and enforcement requires a comprehensive strategy that addresses systematic issues, build institutional capacity, and forest stakeholder collaboration. Give incentives for reforestation. Carbon credit tax breaks. So carbon credits provide a direct financial reward for carbon sequences, while toys break reduce the initial investment required for project. Support innovation training and training is crucial for fostering a culture of continuous improvement and adaptation within organizations and communities. This involves a multifaceted approach encompassing resource allocation, cultural shape, and strategic partnership. Involve indigenous people and local communities in decision making. So meaningful participation of indigenous people and local communities, IPLC in the decision making process concerning natural resource management is paramount for achieving sustainable outcomes. That's all.